Hey, good morning. I looked at the calendar and it said Friday, and I was really surprised because the work week went by really fast. So it's like 9:20 in the morning and I am already up because the cat got me up so she can go on the catio and get her bird water. She doesn't drink the water inside the house anymore. She likes the water outside because it tastes like nature, and I don't blame her, right? So I have 4 pieces of ice here. This is what's in your blender. And this morning we're having a Peachy Keen breakfast smoothie. So today I only used 4 pieces of ice because it's not a slushy, it's more like a smoothie, and I want to make sure it's really cold, but I also want to make sure that it's really thin and smooth. So we're going to go ahead and put 2 heaping tablespoons of plain yogurt. And actually, normally I don't use dairy. Hey, thank you for the stars. Thank you. Roderick, good morning. Thank you, love. Mwah. So normally I don't use dairy, and I am using dairy so it'll be like more like a smoothie and more breakfasty because it has yogurt, which is dairy. All right, so now that I put my 4 pieces of ice and my 2 heaping tablespoons of yogurt, I'm going to add, and I already cut it up for convenience, so I'm going to add a whole orange. So we have a beautiful orange here. So we got 2 pieces, 2 halves make a whole. And we have some fresh pineapple. So this is all fresh ingredients. So we're going to add 1, 2, 4 big chunks of juicy pineapple, all fresh, actually 5. Then I had a half an apple left in the refrigerator. So I'm going to actually put in that because I cut it up because I didn't want it to go bad. Hi, Dennis. Thank you for the stars. Mwah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, so you guys just paid for all my fruit this morning and then some. Thank you so much. Actually, stars go towards my new location, which I'm so close on getting. I just have to find the house that I like. But I'm in position, so thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you a lot. Guys and gals, everybody. So I didn't want the apple to go bad, and I usually put the apple in the refrigerator. I cut that up, so there was about a half apple here. Wonderful. And now for the main ingredient, a peach, a beautiful peach that I'm going to cut up because we don't want to throw the pit in there. Actually, there was an easier way to do it. You cut it in half and then you twist, and that gets the pit out. But this time I'm just going to cut all 4 corners off. See how beautiful that is? And then anything left, actually, I should be able to get that juice, that right off of the pit there. Okay, you can't leave. Look at all that meat. Fruit meat. Alrighty. So now we're ready for our blender action. We have everything in here. So we want it to be really smooth, not slushy at all, because it's a smoothie, not a slushy today. So I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to pulse it so I can get that ice nice and crushed. Actually, that's what I'm missing. The orange juice. That's right. I knew I was missing something. Yes, it is early. My brain's not functioning all the way right now. Okay. So I have freshly squeezed orange juice, not from concentrate. All the juices I buy except for the cranberry, because sometimes it's hard to find the cranberry that's not from concentrate. So you put in about, I'm gonna say 2 cups. I think I did more like 3. So let's see how that turns out. We could always add more ice, probably not more ice, either probably more juice or nothing at all. So let's do the pulse. And it's looking really smooth. Now I have it on high because I want it to get really creamy. Let's check it out. Sounds smooth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's really smooth. It's not that thick though. Do I want it thicker? Yes. I want it a little thicker. So I'll put about 4 pieces of ice. Actually, probably about 6. Okay. Let's try this again. Pulse. Now high, because I hear the ice, so we want to get the ice crushed. Okay. So I should not need a spoon to pour this, because it's nice and smooth. It's not like, hopefully it'll pour out. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, yeah. Wow. It's perfect. Wow, it actually tastes like it has like vitamin powder. You know how you go to the juice places and you get the vitamins? But it doesn't. It's just that there's so many vitamins inside the fruit that you can actually taste the healthiness. So there's not any one fruit that is overpowering. It's perfect. It's creamy. It's creamy, it's frothy, it's delicious. It's so perfect. So if you're envious of my breakfast this morning, then please add fruit to your grocery list and get a blender and just make a lot of your meals or your drinks. You won't believe how much better you will feel, and your health will improve immensely. And it's not even too cold. That's wonderful, David. I'm so glad you're going to do that. So, of course you need substance meals, like at least 2 a day, but you can replace your 3rd meal with a slushie, a smoothie. Yes, you can.